We're in the vibrant neighborhood of Tampines North, where an exciting opportunity awaits Tampines GreenWeave. This is one of the newest developments in the area to recently reach its minimum occupation period MOP. Today, we're featuring a beautifully renovated, high-floor 4-room unit located at Block 609B. Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Spanning 1,001 square feet, approximately 93 square meters, this thoughtfully designed layout includes an ensuite master bedroom, 2 common bedrooms, a common bathroom, an enclosed kitchen, a service yard, and a home shelter. Stepping into the entrance foyer, you'll be greeted by elegant full-height carpentry that provides ample storage, along with a practical niche for your daily essentials like keys and wallets. The living and dining areas are seamlessly integrated into an open-plan space, bright, spacious, and flexible enough to suit various lifestyle needs. The living area is long and roomy, perfect for a large sofa setup and cozy movie nights. Before entering the kitchen, there's a transitional area that can be customized. Perhaps a half-height console, or a full pantry for extra storage. The kitchen itself boasts generous countertop space and well-maintained cabinetry, ideal for home cooks. The first common bedroom is currently styled as a study and playroom for the kids. With see-through glass walls, it's easy to keep an eye on the little ones. The built-in carpentry can even accommodate a single mattress for guests. The second common bedroom mirrors the first in size and layout and comes with a sleek, full-height wardrobe. There's enough room here for a queen-size bed, making it equally practical and comfortable. In the master bedroom, you'll find an ensuite bathroom featuring soft ambient lighting and a well-maintained shower space. There's plenty of space for a queen or even a king-size bed, and the owners have smartly reconfigured part of the wall to create additional wardrobe space. Thanks for joining us on this home tour. If you're looking for a high floor, move-in ready 4-room flat in the ever-growing Tampines North area, this might just be your dream home. For more details, feel free to reach out to Nisa Ismail from OrangeTee AAG, Johnny Ing branch. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more amazing property tours.